Welcome to this bug hunt video. If you wanna see all the bugs, I could show it to you. And let's head to a bug hunt.
Oh, that's the same rock. Don't touch that one.
Yeah,
That one might have poop. Yeah, it does have the poop.
You find some dead bugs there.
Let's see. Hang on. Hang on. The stink bug.
Big bug. That's actually big one. Whoa!
Open up here. Open it up. Baho.
Baho.
It's a stink. It smells bad.
Yeah, that is like.
Baho.
So that is why they're named stink bug.
Because they're baho.
Yeah. The stink bugs smell like this. Duh.
Dah. Dah. Nababahuan. Nadalian.
Yeah, because you touched the stink bug, right?
Right?
Yeah. Look how stinky. Look.
You gotta stay right. Stay right. Stand right.
And
Come here.
look at this stink bug. That's so cool. Oh, scorpion.
Oh, scorpion. Oh,
Yes.
someone step on it. Oh, see, that's why you don't walk on the grass. There's scorpions there too.
I almost. Yeah. Oh.
That is a roly-poly.
I want to save it from the ant.
Okay, save it from the ant. No, you can't even save it from.
Got it.
You got it somewhere. No longer there. Put in a case. It's probably there somewhere. Okay.
It's not. It's
Oh, maybe he got away. It's probably in the grass
right
now.
in.
Yeah, I saw it. Oh, I saw it. Now you moved it. It's no longer there.
It.
It's okay. It's probably free.
Maybe. What the? What? Oh.
What is that? Let me see.
Caught it.
Oh.
Yeah, I caught it. Stop.
You can get his button at Walmart on the way back. It's already there. I see it.
Oh. Papa, did you just hold that?
Yeah, I saw that.
And the stink bug fly at the corner, not outside.
Yeah.
You remember the wasp from tomorrow? It's now gone.
Do you remember
Yeah.
the boss from tomorrow?
No, I just mean yesterday.
I was
Yeah.
like, wow, you saw the future.
Let's look for any grasshopper.
Yeah, go to the grass. Just make sure you look where you're going.
Oh, I see. Grasshoppers jumping.
Oh, it's right here. It jumped over here. It's in the rock right there. Right there. Oh, it's in the rock.
This one?
This rock right here where I'm pointing. Right there. It's in the rock.
Yeah.
That's it, look. Boom. Oh, it jumped again. Oh, we'll look for a bigger one. Oh, see that one. Right here. It went right here. Yeah, right there. Oh, right there.
Whoa, I see
Oh,
it.
see?
It flew.
It jumped.
Oh, it got out. Did I caught it?
Oh, you almost got it.
I'm gonna catch it. I caught it.
You got it.
Mama caught a grasshopper.
Oh, good job. He caught it with his bare hand.
Yeah, I caught it. Now.
just gotta walk. They're everywhere here.
Did I jump?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. See it.
Oh, he jumped again. Right there in front of you. It's right here. It's in the, oh, that. Oh, look for a different one. Look for a bigger one. Oh, your container. Look for a bigger one. If you see a bigger one, you go for the bigger. Not the small one, the bigger one. Oh, the green one right here, Leon. It's right here. You see it? It's moving. Yeah. It looks like a grass. Right here. Oh, you see that? Oh, it jumped. It's right there. Oh. Oh, it's right here now. Right there. It's right there. Oh, it's right now. It moves. Right there. Mama dropped one and it flew. Oh, right there. Oh. Right there. Right there. Oh, it jumped again.
Bug hunter. See it.
Right there.
Oh.
You see it? Right there on my finger.
Oh.
Grab it. Did you grab it? Right there, it fell down. Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh, I see it.
oh.
Right over there. Right here.
Do you see it? It blends
Yeah, I
in.
see it.
Oh, go grab it. Oh, it's right there. There, you got it.
I see another one.
Grab one first.
That's different and right good in the ground. Yeah, I caught it. I caught two.
Put it right here.
Yeah, I
Good
caught
job.
two, Mama.
Oh, you caught two. Oh, you're
I got two
you're
green
vacuum.
ones.
Oh, another
Oh.
one. He went right here. Where'd he go? Oh, he jumped. Go look for a different one. Maybe a bigger one.
Whoa.
Oh, right there. It's a darker one. See it? It's right there. It blends into the mud.
Oh, I caught it.
Good job.
Way too easy.
That was way too easy. Make sure you open and then close right away. Good job.
That's good.
Catching a lot. Oh, look, Mama caught one. Oh, that's a big
Oh.
one. That one. Go get it.
Wow.
It went right here somewhere.
Went right there. Do not move.
You said you saw it. That's not it. Got a clock? You said it doesn't beep every hour. Clock it beeping every hour. Oh, right there. Right there.
What down?
Right there. It went this way.
I see it.
It went this way.
I'm looking
This
for
way
some more
somewhere.
grasshoppers.
Oh, right there in front of me. Right there. Oh,
In front of me. You got it?
yeah. Come here.
Oh, I see one.
Hang on, come here. Bring the container.
Oh,
It's in there.
whoa, Mama. I see it.
He's just
I
playing,
see another
playing
one.
dead.
It is a darker. Whoa.
One landed on you.
Ew, ew.
Leon, container. Oi.
I'm gonna. Then I'm gonna.
Oh, your container is half open.
Mm.
Oh, you see?
Then naubos.
No,
There's no more.
I will catch. I just saw one.
Oh, you should.
saw one
Where's over
too.
there?
Okay. I'm
Oh.
looking for that.
There's one here somewhere. Oh, right there, the green one.
There.
It's green. They don't jump that much, the green one. They just like to blend in.
They only like to blend in.
Open it upside down. There's a lot of grasshopper now. Oh, your vacuum. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, we will check your.
Let me see all your bugs that you caught.
Look how many there
There's a
are.
lot of grasshopper, right?
Yeah.
And you caught a lot of them.
Yeah. I caught some, but not all of them.
But you caught a lot, right?
Yeah, and I just saw one flew.
Oh, watch out. Stay right, stay right, stay right.
And I saw one flew. And I was trying to catch it. Yes, you caught it. That was my grasshopper, Mama. First I have to add them in. It flies. Grasshopper flies.
Oh, look, I found another snail, Ian. Right there. Right there. Oh.
Yeah. See it.
Oh, a big snail right here. You can see it from far, right there. Oh. You can see it from afar.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough of the snail. We're gonna keep moving. We're just gonna go to the bridge and come back. We'll get it on the way back. Oh, stinky bug.
Big bug. Stinky bug.
Oh, use your vacuum. Do you want it or no?
Yeah.
Oh, use your vacuum. Use it.
Got
Push
it.
the button. Push the button. Oh, come on. Push. There. Oh,
Ah.
I'll put it down again. Go.
There.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my stinky bug.
Okay, let's go.
Little stinky bug. Here's what it looks like, guys.
Mhm. Watch out, there's thorns. Watch out. Right here. Oh, there's a green one right there. See that? It's moving.
I see it.
Oh, it's right here now. Right there. Okay, last one.
Yeah, I
Okay.
caught it.
Good job. Okay, that's enough. Put it in your container. Let's go.
I caught
Mosquitoes are coming out. Good job. We didn't bring any mosquito spray.
Oh, what is that?
That's a caterpillar.
cutter.
Oh, it's some kind of moth. That's the one that you push down and they make click, click. No, they play dead. They're still alive.
Oh, yeah, it's.
There's some moth.
Okay.
But there's no
That's the one that Ryan caught and then it was making loud noise.
Yeah. Now I caught one.
Oh, we gotta go. Keep going. Let's go.
That
Let's
looks like a cicada.
go.
We caught a cicada. Bye, everyone. everyone. If you enjoyed this video, you have to like and subscribe and send it to a bug hunter. And make sure to share this video. And here's what our bugs look like. And see you later. Bye.